Welcome to this ELHT e-learning video. This video will demonstrate how to modify a patient's electronic record in the Cerner Millennium system using the Revenue Cycle application. Log on to the Revenue Cycle application. In this demonstration, the patient's record has already been opened and the patient is displayed in the blue patient banner. The summary screen is visible. To modify a patient's key demographics, click on the registration perspective. The demographics form is displayed. At the top right of the form there is a green pencil icon. Click on this icon. The modifying screen appears. All fields can be modified with the yellow fields being mandatory. Using the magnifying glass, select the hospital trust. In the example, Royal Blackburn Hospital is being selected. The patient has recently got married, and this needs updating. From the drop-down arrow, the patient's title will be changed from Miss to Mrs. The surname will also be modified. The patient's maiden name can be added in the Other Names section, along with preferred and alternative name. To do this, click into the corresponding field and input this data. Further down the form, you will see some pink fields. These are not mandatory but indicates this information would be of advantage if known. If the information can be provided, then please populate the pink fields. To change the patient's address, use the blue plus icon in this field. Enter the postcode, choose the correct house number, and click Select. Click Accept. The address has now been updated. To change the GP practice, use the magnifying glass icon to search for the GP. The search options can be changed by using the drop-down arrow. The options are Organisation Name, Organisation Postcode, and General Practitioner. In the demonstration, Organisation Name will be selected. Search for the practice or surgery name, click on the correct one, choose the correct GP listed in the General Practitioner window, and click Select. The GP has now been updated. There is a free text field to enter any other patient comments. To change the patient's next of kin or add a related person, use the Relationship and Schools tab to the top left of the form. Click the blue Add icon under the Related Person title. The Add Related Person box is displayed. Select the correct next of kin for the person you wish to add or modify. This is a yellow mandatory field. The patient has recently got married, so the husband will be added using Family Member from the drop-down list. Next, click the Add button to access the form. You will see several yellow mandatory fields and pink fields to be populated. Complete this with the information you have been provided. Select the correct type of relationship and complete the name of the person being added. This relationship lives with the patient, so click Copy Patient Details. Click OK and the person and relationship to the patient have been successfully added to the patient's record. If the patient is of school age, the patient's school can be added here. Click the blue Add button in the Schools window. Search for the school's name and choose the correct option. Click Select. Add a date in the Begin Date field and click OK. The patient's school has now been added. The Transaction History Viewer can be used to view all modifications made to the patient record in Revenue Cycle. It will display the dates and times when changes have been made and by whom. Select the dates from when you want the search period to start from and end. Click Display and the audit will appear. Click on the date you wish to view. This now displays what has been modified, the previous data, the name of the member of staff who made the changes and the date it was completed. Thank you for watching this e-learning video. Revenue Cycle quick reference guides are available in eCoach from the PowerChart application.